Alright, guys, so tomorrow is the first day of school. And here's a thing that is very, very dangerous and very illegal and is against school policy. That is pulling the fire alarm. So if you go back to school, never pull the fire alarm. Like, if you don't want to be at school, if you don't want to go to class, or you want to skip a test, or if you want to scare people, never want to do that. Because these are nothing to mess with. These are not toys, these are life safety devices. So when these go off, you have to take them very seriously. This is not a joke. If you're a public school student in my county, or in this region, do not pull the fire alarm. Or any of you that are a public school student that are going to school tomorrow, or in a few weeks. Yeah, don't just make a joke if you don't want to go to class and go in the hallway and pull the fire alarm, which is not good. And also, don't tamper with them. Don't take the alarm off the wall. Don't change the candela. Don't change the tone. You leave it the way it is, because these are very serious. I agree with you. These are really, really serious. Well, if you have first day of school, and on the first day of school someone pulled the fire alarm, like you heard the announcement that someone pulled the fire alarm, well, your day will be ruined. Because if you pull a fire alarm at school, you're going to get in big trouble. You're going to get suspended. You're going to get expelled. And possibly grounded by your parents. Or possibly arrested. Like, if you're 17 years old, which I am 17 years old, that's what I am. So, if you're 17 years old and if you pull that fire alarm, you can get fined and arrested. And if you're just a little kid that's in elementary school or preschool, and if you pull the fire alarm, you are going to get grounded by your parents and have your stuff taken away from you. So, it's never a good idea to pull a fire alarm in public buildings or schools. Because I've seen videos of people where they pull the fire alarm in school for a prank, which is not cool. So this is why we don't pull fire alarms in school.